Hey guys, can't believe Scratch Game Jam has been going on for a whole year. The Scratch Game Jam number 12 is about to kick off. You have 2 weeks to create a game that fits the same using Scratch, Teamwork, Gandi IDE, or any other Scratch tools. The theme for this jam is Advancement from Adversity. Here are a few examples of games that fit the theme. Ori and the Blind Forest. In this action-adventure game, players get to control a small spirit named Ori. Ori embarks on a journey through a mysterious forest to save their home, encountering challenges and enemies along the way. By overcoming adversity and developing skills, Ori becomes stronger. Celeste. This platform adventure game stars a girl named Madeline who sets out to climb the mountain known as Celeste. Throughout her adventure, Madeline faces both inner and external challenges. Through continuous effort and self-transcendence, she grows and overcomes adversity. Dark Souls. This action role-playing game is infamous for its challenging gameplay and dark fantasy setting. Players assume the role of a cursed undead, navigating treacherous environments and battling formidable enemies. Through perseverance and skill, players can overcome adversity, gain strength, and progress in the game. Into the Breach. This turn-based strategy game allows players to step into the shoes of a time-traveling robot commander. Your mission is to lead a squad in protecting Earth from underground creatures. By countering enemy actions and protecting cities, players must overcome challenges and obstacles to progress. The game emphasizes the growth and resilience of characters and players in the face of adversity. Before you start to create your game, make sure to read the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 12 and join our Discord server to discuss the same, update devlog, and playtest with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!